This is Today in St. Louis.
It's been said, build a better mousetrap and the world will be the path to your door. Well, a local group of kids is taking that mantra to heart as they build a new board game they hope will be a hit. And they're just about ready to take it to market.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Youngsters playing a game. But this is much more than that. These kindergartners at Raintree School are enjoying the game that they invented.
5, 6.
Their action plan was to publish a game made by kids for kids.
The name of our game is True Forest.
They are not your average 5-year-olds, thanks in part to the way they learn. So they went to work.
It took a lot of days to make our game. We're not sure how many days we took. 1, 2.
True Forest is sort of a fantasy world.
These horses tromping through the forest, and they come to a creek and they see these magical stones and they need to get across to the other side.
Land on the wrong spot,
There's a lot of sneaky risk involved.
and you'll pay a price.
11. Ah! If there is a bad stone, then you go to a bad place.
The first to the end wins.
Shake hands.
But victory isn't all they'll take away from this experience.
It's been a lot of learning how to talk to each other and cooperating.
They are also learning about business.
They made it through to the next round of the game design contest. So we're really excited in May to go to Geekway to present True Forest at the live prototyping stage.
And they are pretty sure that the public will enjoy a trip through the True Forest just as much as they do.
How good do you feel inside to know you've made a game?
Really, really, really good. And happy.
Oh my gosh, they're so adorable.
They were so cute. I could have been in there all day long just hanging out with them, having conversations. Very smart kids, by the way.
Oh, my word.
Now, the Geek Week to the West is an annual board games convention. It'll take place in May at the St. Charles Convention Center. Meanwhile, the Kickstarter for the True Forest begins today with the hope of getting the game into local toy shops.
That is so cool.
It looked like it was a lot of fun.
It kind of reminded me of the game Candyland that I used to play as a kid because of the circles, right, Anthony?
Kinda.
Yeah.
But there were some pretty serious things there as far as
Wow.
penalties that you'd have to play in this game. But it was fun.
Wow.
It was fun.
Smart kids.